Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start in Excel, open and save the workbook where your source table lives, then build and format the chart there. Once the chart looks right, select the chart object and copy it. This ensures the chart remains linked to the worksheet behind it. Make sure both files are saved, preferably in the same folder to avoid broken links later. This first step creates the authoritative source in Excel, so PowerPoint will display a dynamic linked chart rather than a static image. Switch to PowerPoint and select the slide where the chart belongs. Use Paste Special and choose Paste Link as a Microsoft Excel chart object so PowerPoint references the original Excel file. Once pasted, position and size it. The object preserves editable chart formatting and stays tied to the workbook. If you need style tweaks, edit in Excel so changes propagate. Remember, regular paste embeds or converts to an image. Only the paste link option keeps a live connection and is the only reliable. Finish by saving both the Excel workbook and the PowerPoint presentation so the link persists. When you change numbers, update and save the workbook. Then in PowerPoint, use Edit Links to Files or Update Link to pull the new chart automatically. If you move files or the link breaks, recopy the Excel chart and paste Special as a link again, or correct the source path in Edit Links. One troubleshooting tip: if the chart shows stale data, check that Excel is saved and file paths match. Unsaved changes do not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.